the word atween, to indicate a position or space separating two things, between the lines, between two buildings, between us. The secret message was hidden between the lines. There's a small cafe between the two buildings. Let's keep this conversation between us. To refer to a relationship involving two people or groups, between friends, between countries, between teams. It's just a joke between friends. The treaty was signed between the two countries. The match between the teams was intense and competitive. To indicate a range or interval, between 5 and 10, between now and then, between ages. The class is open to students between the ages of 10 and 15. I'm available between 5 and 10 in the evening. A lot can happen between now and then to express a choice or comparison. Between A and B, choose between. Difference between. You must choose between staying or leaving. There's a clear difference between the two methods. I can't decide between tea and coffee. To show distribution or sharing. Divided between, split between, shared between. The reward was divided between the winners. The cost will be split between the departments. The responsibilities are shared between the team members.